For this problem, I don't like, this is number 32. I don't like the secant squared minus 1. So I'm going to look on page 372 and see if I can change this to something else. Well, I know from that page I have 1 plus tangent squared equals secant squared. Alright, so this is secant squared minus 1. So what if I subtracted 1 from both sides here? I subtract 1 over here. I would get tangent squared equals secant squared minus 1. So wherever I see secant squared, I can substitute in tangent squared. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to turn this to tangent squared. So I have cosine squared times tangent squared. Well, again, we know from page 372 that tangent equals sine over cosine. Well, that would mean then that tangent squared would equal sine squared over cosine squared. So where I see tangent squared, I can substitute in sine squared over cosine squared. Now if I multiply these, the cosine squareds cancel. I'm left with just a sine squared, which is c.